caterpillar. Oh, so scary.
The caterpillar saw some lava. When it comes out of the air, it started eating meat. It eats because it needs food and energy to grow. As the caterpillar grew bigger, it started shedding the old skin several times, and when it is fully grown, it is ready for the next stage. Now my friend will explain the third stage. The other learned one minor caterpillar under how explain the third stage. The third stage is the release, and the release also called a pupa.